First up, we have ginger tea. Known for its ability to assist with digestion, quell nausea, and reduce inflammation, ginger tea is a powerhouse of health benefits. Make it by steeping fresh ginger slices in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes. A comforting brew for when your stomach feels out of sorts. Next is peppermint tea. This cool, refreshing brew is ideal for soothing an upset stomach, relieving headaches, and improving digestion. To prepare, simply use dried peppermint leaves or fresh peppermint. It's a breath of fresh air in a cup. Then we have chamomile tea. This is the perfect bedtime brew. Known for its calming effects, it can help with anxiety, insomnia, and even offer mild pain relief. Steep dried chamomile flowers in hot water for about 5 minutes and let the tranquility wash over you. Now let's talk about green tea. This tea is famous for being packed with antioxidants. It can boost metabolism, improve brain function, and lower the risk of certain diseases. To brew, steep green tea leaves or a tea bag for 2 to 3 minutes in hot water. It's a cup of wellness that invigorates and protects. Moving on to turmeric tea. This golden brew, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, can help reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, and improve heart health. To prepare, mix ground turmeric with hot water and a pinch of black pepper to enhance absorption. It's like drinking a warm, comforting ray of sunshine. Next in line is echinacea tea. Known for its immune-boosting properties, it's your go-to brew for when you're fighting off colds and flu. Make it by steeping dried echinacea herb in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. It's like a protective shield in a cup. Lastly, we have hibiscus tea. High in vitamin C and antioxidants, this vibrant brew can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Steep dried hibiscus flowers in boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes to make this tangy, revitalizing tea. Remember, while these herbal teas can offer health benefits, they should not replace medical treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using herbal remedies, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Herbal teas are a wonderful addition to a balanced lifestyle, offering moments of peace, relaxation, and a gentle boost to your well-being. Enjoy exploring these 7 herbal brews and their benefits. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if y'all would share my channel to your friends and family.